Hi, my name is Sean from Hartford Truck Equipment, and this is an F750 gas job that we did for a municipality. This is a 10-foot HC plow, hydraulic, with the plow guides here. We did that hydraulic unit with halogen lights. Again, this is an F750 with a swampy hollow 10-foot body with 30-inch sides and 40-inch tailgate, electric load cover with a mesh tarp. We did put some lights up here in the cab shield on the sides and in the front for maximum visibility. We have a PTO steel 30-gallon reservoir tank right here. Stainless steel boxes on both sides. The L1 on the other side is a little bit bigger because we don't have the steel reservoir tank. Then around the back here we have a 6.0 Fisher stainless steel sander with sander straps attached to D-rings to anchor it down into the body. Again, this is all run off of hydraulic, the plow, the sander, and the hoist on a gas F750, which Ford is new out with this year. This is great for big area plowing, municipal plowing, and landscape plowing with a lot of capacity for sand here at Hartford Truck.